It's 6:47 p.m. Tim is still in the machine room. His shift ended an hour ago. Billing is on hold, 380 euros, because there's no report. He did the work, but he can't prove it fast enough. And in this job, no proof means no pay. If you've ever stayed late just to explain work you already did, this is for you. Because the fix isn't working harder. It's capturing the job before you leave the site. Can Tim lock down reports, time logs, and handovers before 7:30 a.m. tomorrow using ClickUp? Because if it works for him, it can save you unpaid hours, prevent callbacks, and stop billing delays. Welcome to Everyday AI. Here we focus on how everyday people use AI to make work easier, life simpler, and problems less stressful. No hype, no buzzwords, just practical AI tools explained in a way anyone can understand and use. Today we will talk about Tim. He is 35, 12 years in elevators and escalators. Great technician. And he has one flaw that keeps costing him. He treats admin like it's optional. He always says, "I'll do the report later." And he means it. Until the next job hits. Look at that. 2 seconds of typing, and he bails. Because he's tired. Because the next call is already waiting. Because the work is loud and messy and real. Today he's got 5 sites. A repair, a safety check, a noisy break, a stuck door, and a callback. And there's a hidden trap. Callbacks don't just waste time, they erase trust. That's the clock, 7:30 tomorrow. Miss it and billing slips again. He can keep doing it the old way, or he can build a system that survives real service work. And he chooses the tool. Tim opens ClickUp on his laptop while sitting in the van. He taps Create Space and names it Service Jobs. Inside that space, he creates one list and calls it Jobs. This becomes the rule. Every site visit becomes one job, no exceptions. Because if it isn't a job in the system, it might as well not exist when someone asks for proof. Before he even grabs his tools, he makes a decision. He taps Add Task. He names it Job 1. Then he adds Date. He creates a new field and names it Issue. Here, he can mention the problem. He names it using 3 things only: the building name, the problem, and today's date. This is the first win. He's not relying on memory anymore. He's leaving a trail. But then he hits the part that usually breaks people. Handoffs. He adds just enough detail to stop arguments later. He opens custom fields and adds 4 fields. A status field that says on-site, fixed, or needs parts. A unit ID so nobody guesses which elevator. A priority field. And 1 short field for parts. Now, when the next person opens this task, they don't need to call him. They can see the truth in 3 seconds. At the door, he makes the second decision. He goes to Custom Field and adds Time Recorded. He starts the timer. Not later, not I'll remember. Right now. When he leaves the site, he stops it. That single habit protects his pay. Then Tim makes the mistake that feels logical and destroys everything. He tries organizing tasks by people. But elevator work isn't people-based, it's job-based. So Tim locks in one structure that survives handoffs. He opens the job task and taps Save as Template. Inside the template, he adds a checklist. What he found, what he fixed, what he tested, what the client should know, and what the next technician needs. Now every new job starts ready. No rebuilding the wheel, no forgetting what to include. Now he handles the part that used to ruin his evenings. He taps Add, then Doc, and names it Report. He pastes short bullet points from the checklist, adds 2 photos. Then he uses ClickUp's AI to turn those bullets into a clean service report. Result? A clean service report. No late-night typing. Back to the machine room. Same light, same noise. His phone buzzes. Tim doesn't scramble. He opens the job task, opens the doc, exports it as a PDF, sends it. 2 minutes spent. He logs this time. Invoice unlocked. And here's the real transformation. He doesn't stay late to catch up. He closes the loop while he's still there. The job is still hard, but the chaos is gone. And if you want more real-world tutorials like this, hit subscribe. And check out ClickUp today and run every job through one system so you stop paying for chaos with your time. Because remember the motto, you weren't born to be busy, you were born to live. See you in the next video.